Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve this interesting problem. We have to find the remainder when we divide 7 raised to the power of 103 by 12. To solve this problem we use congruence. When we divide a by b, we can write it as an equation form that a equal to b, and when we divide a by b it will give us some quotient and remainder r. But in congruence we write it as a is congruent to remainder r when we divide it by b. So at this equation is transferred to congruent form in this form. So now we know that 49, when we divide it by 12, it gives us remainder 1. Okay, so it means that 49 is congruent to 1 mod 12. When we divide 49 by 12, it gives us remainder 2. And we can write 49 as 7 square congruent to 1 mod 12. Now we use some properties of congruence. We can raise both sides of the congruence to a same power. So we raise 7 square to the power of 51 and 1 to the power of 51 mod 12. It will become 7 raised to the power of 102 equal to 1 mod 12. Now we can multiply same number on both sides of the congruence. So we multiply 7 on both sides. Here we get 7 raised to the power of 103 is congruent to 7 mod 12. Now what does this mean? It means that when we divide 7 raised to the power of 103 by 12, we get a remainder 7. So it is the required remainder. Thanks for watching.